Constantly comparing it because even the messages that I've been getting on social media, it's like, see, how is season 2 different? What is happening in season 2? Because people have watched season 1 and people have loved it. Wait for a pandemic for us to be more hygienic.
We are both chicken lovers, you know.
We both like tandoori chicken.
Tandoori chicken, like I swear, like she's one of the like she always orders tandoori chicken, and I'm also always ordering.
We used to order for each other because we knew what we like eating.
So hi Taha, hi Priya, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Hi.
So first of all, let me start with a very cliched question, but this is how we start. So Priya, this is season 2 for you, and Taha, this is a digital debut. How excited you guys are right now and how nervous you guys are right now?
मैं actually अभी मैं excited तो हूँ ही क्योंकि digital debut है और बेकाबू season 2 season 1 से भी इंशाल्लाह बड़ी होगी। वैसे शूट उन्होंने जो किया है वो फिल्म की तरह शूट किया है, काफी पैसे खर्च किए उन्होंने, तो I am very excited. I'm very lucky कि मुझे अपना digital debut I got it as a lead opposite Priya, who's been doing OTT for a while now. She must have been one of the first people to get into OTT, I think. And now
Yes.
she's having her, and she's making waves for herself. And so
She's
I'm
a legend on
very
OTT, I
excited,
feel.
nervous. क्या भाई?
She's a legend on OTT now.
Now भी प्रिया legend होने वाली है, बस 1-2 साल में ना प्रिया legend. OTT बोलोगे तो प्रिया बनर्जी का नाम आना चाहिए, बस that's synonymous. But yeah, it's great. मैं प्रिया को काफी सालों से जानता हूँ यार, तो it's great कि जब आप दोस्त के साथ आप काम करते हो तो there's already a sense of comfort, a sense of you don't have to think too much. आप discuss कर सकते हो, आप मजाक कर सकते हो, you know. तो ये बहुत अच्छा हुआ कि in my digital debut I got to work with somebody I know, I don't know
Taha
about
I've
her.
known since I've moved to India. So there's been like almost 7-8 years that I've known Taha since like 2014, I think.
Right.
Oh yeah, long time.
Yeah, long
so,
time.
Yes, we are both very excited and very nervous waiting कि reviews क्या आएंगे, but I'm confident. But still crossing fingers.
So Priya, of course, as you said, that you are excited and nervous equally, but somewhere on the other hand, do you also feel a kind of a pressure because season 1 had done so well? So do you have that kind of a pressure for season 2, being someone who is kind of taking forward the installment?
Yeah, of course. I mean, there's a lot of pressure because the audience is constantly comparing it because even the messages that I've been getting on social media, it's like, see, how is season 2 different? What is happening in season 2? Because people have watched season 1 and people have loved it. So they are definitely going to compare it. Uska to, there's no doubt that it's going to get compared to season 1. Also, if you don't watch season 1, you won't understand season 2 because it's a continuation basically. अगर आपने season 1 नहीं देखी है तो season 2 starts from the end where season 1 ends. So it's a continuation of that, and I'm hoping कि इस बार I think we've been able to give twice the thrill, twice the suspense, twice of everything. Also, as you can see, there's many more characters introduced in this season to kind of keep up with the storyline. It's been written by Novoneil. Novoneil did, it's based on Black Suit Stew. This is the first one.
Yeah.
So I remember being a part of the script writing, जब story लिखा जा रहा था. This was during lockdown. So I remember being on the Zoom call with Novoneil, with Akshay who directed the first one, with Sunanda, with the whole team, and how they wanted this to be much bigger, like scale-wise, story-wise, in every way. So I feel that everybody has done justice in making it much bigger, much filled with more suspense. Vaibhav has written the story. The dialogue. So I think from what I have felt is that it is definitely much more exciting. But again, at the end of the day, it's up to the audience how they feel when they feel how much they like it. So वो pressure तो हमेशा रहेगा till the show releases and you start getting in the reviews and all of that.
Right. So, my question is for both of you. Of course, as you said that the script was, being made during the lockdown. How was the whole experience of shooting for it during the pandemic? How different it is when you shot something earlier before the pandemic and now when you shoot something during the pandemic?
प्रिया तो मैं प्रिया का जवाब दे देता हूँ. She doesn't need to answer this question. So actually, the pandemic has been very good for Priya. She actually hopes the pandemic goes on forever because she feels that she got the most amount of work in the pandemic. And this is exactly what she's going to say to मैं ही बोल देता हूँ. So
You did say what I
know,
said.
I know.
Thank you so much.
नहीं you're welcome. मेरे लिए तो I don't know, अभी मुझे लगता है पैंडेमिक तो चल ही रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है. मास्क सब लोग मास्क पहने पूरे हैं तो चल ही रहा है. तो I feel we are still and अभी नया वायरस भी निकला है नहीं. क्या है भाई, क्या हो रहा है?
नए
तो
नए
हम लोग
वायरस
तो
आ रहे हैं, आते जा रहे हैं.
yeah I know. So पैंडेमिक चल रहा है तो I think we shooting in it. बस हम ज़्यादा केयर ले रहे हैं. I guess everything is more sanitized और ये सब अच्छा है क्योंकि ये आया, सब लोग अभी और ध्यान दे रहे हैं. All the like let's say small thing जैसे मेकअप ब्रशेस हो जाते हैं तो उसको ज़्यादा सैनिटाइज करते हैं. जो आप जहाँ पर आप शूटिंग करो तो उसको ज़्यादा साफ करते हैं. Priya doesn't seem to
ऐसा
believe
हमेशा
this.
होना चाहिए. No, I think ऐसा
No,
हमेशा
no.
होना चाहिए. Why do we have to wait for a pandemic for us to be more hygienic? You know what I'm saying? कि ऐसा क्यों है कि वायरस आएगा, आधे लोग मर जाएंगे, फिर हम हाइजीन को ज़्यादा ध्यान देंगे. I think we should live life like this. You know, like
Yes.
we should be more hygienic. Cleanliness is very important.
Cleanliness is
especially in a
godliness.
yeah, especially in a country like India with so much, so much population, it's very important that we maintain a certain amount of hygiene and cleanliness. वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I think the pandemic has done good to India, in a way
I
that
just have to
we are
say
learning-
I am quite clean myself. I'm
Yeah, I
very
know
clean.
that.
I promise Murtuza bhai, मैं बहुत ही साफ.
मैं बहुत ही साफ सुथरा हूँ.
Are you clean,
But-
Priya?
Yes, I'm very clean. Thank you very much.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you.
Murtuza bhai, what about you?
I'm super clean, not just clean.
Super
Not
clean.
saying anything now. Whatever. What is this?
Because you guys are paired opposite each other in the series, that's what the trailer says. So I would like to know, of course, as you know each other from earlier, was it more easy to shoot and get that chemistry right for the web series?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh yeah,
I
for
think
me, yeah,
I-
for sure.
Yeah. No, even for me actually. I mean, even though I've worked in season 1 and I've done a lot of shows with a lot of co-actors, I think for me, working with Taha probably, not saying anything against anybody or like that, but for me, I had the most amount of comfort with Taha as a co-actor throughout all the work that I've done till date. Because, when you know somebody so well, there's that comfort there and you don't have to stress about, you can focus on your performance because you're not stressed about the chemistry or like, are we both doing it right? Because you have that kind of chemistry from before. You already know each other. There's that comfort level. And especially for a show like Beka, where that is very important because most of our scenes were together. So I feel having that kind of comfort, it's very important. Which we already had from day one, from the reading, because we were, and I was like, I'm like, I've known him forever. Like, I've known him since I've been here. So for me, I didn't have to focus on that part, or I could focus on my performance rather than, making sure we are gelling and all of that.
I think that well, yes, I know. I mean, I might. Everybody knows a lot of people. Kafi salos have done too. But it's not easy to get the chemistry right. I feel that what really worked for us is that I guess over the years we I guess our sense of humor, like on set, I think you would always see us laughing.
Yeah.
We are both chicken lovers. We
More
really
like
eat
the
chicken.
tandoori chicken.
Tandoori chicken, like I swear, like she's one of the like she always orders tandoori chicken, and I'm also ordering.
We used to order for each other because we knew what we like eating.
So ऐसे छोटी चीजें जो होती है ना, we laugh about it, and it's easy. So that's why that's where the chemistry comes up, especially when you laugh with somebody. That's where the chemistry comes up. वैसे ही आप किसी को जानते हो, ऐसे chemistry नहीं आती, but जब आप हंसोगे, आप खाना खाते,
yeah.
that's actually makes the bond really well. So yeah, I'm glad. Of course, definitely agree. It worked.
Right. So tell me, what do you guys have to say about this whole debate about OTT censorship that is going on right now?
Oh yeah,
That's
I
always
have to
good
say nothing.
No, I
Yeah,
am
you
pro it. I'm pro it. I'm okay. I mean, to certain extent. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही सब सेंसर कर दो और कुछ दिखाओ ही मत,
क्यों?
edit करके दे दो
अभी
पूरा।
पहले तो बोली थी सब सेंसर करना चाहिए।
नहीं, ऐसा कब बोला मैंने? Don't lie.
नहीं बोला?
I'm just saying, नहीं. When I did the full thing, but I
Yeah.
believe to certain. I think to certain extent censorship is okay because not only for the audience, I feel also for the makers क्योंकि आजकल काफी ऐसे नए platforms भी आ रहे हैं, not just the big platforms, there's also a lot of mini small platforms, where shows are being made. कुछ भी बना रहे हैं, in the name of OTT, a lot of people are making anything कि गालियाँ डाल दो और nudity डाल दो या फिर intimacy डाल दो, unless just to attract the audience. But at the end of the day, it's the story, it's the script, it's the content that's going to attract the audience. These things, if they're needed in the story, then it makes sense. But dalna hai dal do, that doesn't make sense to me. And I think abhi people will be a little aware when makers are making shows or something. Like, acha nahi zarurat hai to nahi dal de. That's very important. And of course, as audience, definitely, parental guidance, regardless of what you're watching, it's very important. So yeah, to a certain extent, I feel that the censorship is going to do good. Yeah.
Right. So last question for this interview would be, is Bekabu 3 happening after Bekabu season 2 now?
Always.
You should ask that. You should ask Ekta.
4, 5, 6, 7.
चलता ही जाएगा. हम 80 साल के हो जाएंगे. We will be like 80 years old.
No. Kashti.
No way. Revenge. हम तभी भी revenge ले रहे हैं.
And then आपको कमर के हड्डी टूटते हैं. I'm back again. Back. नहीं तो चलता रहेगा भाई ये तो first hit होगा तो चलेगा.
Yeah, like I'm hoping people love the season 2 as much and that they have season 1, the love they've given season 1. And then of course season 3 भी बनेगा.
Right.
बनेगा.
So guys, it was really nice chatting with you. All the best for Bekabu season 2 and thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much.